Hey, what's going on? It's Roger. So let's do an unboxing and let's unbox this Nissan GTR Nismo GT500 from Tomica. Uh, when I was in Japan, I about a month ago I went to Yodobashi Umeda, which is right by Osaka and Umeda Station, and I was looking at all the the new main line of Tomica and what was available. They didn't have used ones there, and I saw this and I was like, oh, that's kind of awesome looking. Um, it's definitely has like a lot of aero on it, and I honestly don't keep track of Tomica, like that. I mean, I know like when you go to the stores, they'll have the newest ones, the main line, um, available right there, and then you just go down to you'll see the display, and then you go down to the slot that it's at, and you can pull it out, and those are everywhere. So, but yeah, so I went there and I saw this, and I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. And then I was like, you know what? Let me just buy one. And then actually, I was like, well, you know what? Let me buy two. So, I have one unopened, but this one I opened up. Um, I bought this on the second day of my 2 week trip, and so it had to endure being moved around and unpacking and packing with a bunch of stuff in my luggage. And unfortunately, this one got bent, but it's okay. Uh, let's just kind of open it up. So the box is already hit up pretty bad. And there you can see that it's there's that, and then there's that. So this is additional stickers if you want to add it on to the car, the numbers and little tiny decals, even on the top right here. Let me try to get into focus. Nissan, windshield banner. Nissan Nismo sticker on the roof. Take this out. Kind of like a matte black finish to it, but that detail is actually on point. Oh, I didn't even know, but the door's open too. Let's take out this, cardboard that's kind of supporting the spoiler, protecting the spoiler. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool looking. Alright, so the front, look at that detail. That looks pretty sick. Even when you look at the side, like I said, the side skirts, I remember my buddy said that looks like Mad Max, type of car. Like a post-apocalyptic type of car. That's pretty sweet looking. The rear actually looks pretty good too, with the rear diffuser and the spoiler, and actually, like the taillights are recessed. Wheels are black. It's really low. That's a pretty nice deal. I like that. So there is the unboxing of this Tomica Nissan GTR Nismo GT500.